There is a worldwide pandemic just outside our front door. We need to stay home, wash our hands, and keep our distance to stay safe. Are you prepared for this battle? But the fight to stay healthy also happens on our plates. While there is no vaccine and no way to determine who will get this virus, we do know that heart disease, diabetes, and high cholesterol put people with COVID-19 at greater risk. In New York, the U.S. epicenter of the outbreak, 55% of people who have died had hypertension, 37% had diabetes, 18% had high cholesterol. Diets rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and low in saturated fat can reduce blood pressure, dietary cholesterol, and can be highly effective for blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. A healthy lifestyle, including eating a plant-based diet, can help treat these diseases. And that could mean a matter of life or death when the virus strikes. To get free resources on health, nutrition, and how diet can help treat underlying conditions, visit pcrm.org.